Hi, my name is Mike Beard. I'm the Director of Sales for the United States. I've been working with the PlanetPress suite now for about 12 years, so I've been here from pretty much the beginning of the business up until today. Think about a transaction or document workflow system. Transactions always start as data in some kind of host application. That data gets converted into a piece of paper, which is a transaction. The issues that the customers have when they're not using PlanetPress is largely revolved around the labor required to move the paper around the organization. All these transactions which are done on paper have to be physically moved. So PlanetPress is all about helping those processes. Before PlanetPress, all those processes are very manual and extremely expensive. The way that PlanetPress can help customers improve their environment really kind of falls into two categories. The first piece being the document design tool, and the second, and probably the crown jewels of the product, is our workflow technology. With PlanetPress, I can take an existing application and completely reformat that document, completely independent of the host data and host applications. Once PlanetPress has this data, we can do clever things. We can look at it, look inside it, decide what it is, where it's supposed to go. Is this an invoice for accounting? Is this a bill of lading that belongs someplace else? We can sort that out and drive that data to an appropriate process to output on the appropriate printer. Customers will invest in PlanetPress when there's a benefit. The benefit is return on investment. That return on investment really is all about saving the customer money in their workflow processes. It's just take a look at the people power to move this paper. If, for example, today I'm producing all my transactions and I'm filing them manually, then every time I want to look up one of those transactions, I have a lot of labor involved in going to the filing cabinet, finding the transaction, taking it to a copier, photocopying, back to the filing cabinet, refiling it, hopefully in the right place so you find it later. Tons and tons of people power involved in that process. So the ROI comes from quite simply eliminating those processes. PlanetPress is all about helping the customer improve the document's workflow from cradle to grave. So from host data to document creation to workflow to output, every step of the way we're saving the customer money, labor, and we're improving workflow processes.